Hi everyone, this is Dr. Srikanth, Assistant Professor of CSE Department. In this session, I am going to cover the question name non-repeating character from the GeeksforGeeks platform. So the question name is non-repeating character. Given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters, return the non-repeating character in S. That means whatever the string which is given, in that string we need to return the first non-repeating character. If there is no non-repeating character, then we need to return $. That means if all the characters are repeating, then we have to return $. Now let us take the example, the GeeksforGeeks. GEEKS for GEEKS. Here Geeks is repeating, all these letters are repeating. Here for FOR, these three characters are non-repeating, but we need to return only the first non-repeating character. Okay, so for that, how we need to proceed? Let us see. Here in the same way, in the race car also, we are going to see here in the race car, CAR are repeated, only E is not repeating. So we need to return E. Here only one non-repeating character is there. Only that one only we need to return. If we take the next string AA, BB, CCC. So here A is repeating, B is repeating, CCC also repeating. So what we need to return? $. If there is no non-repeating element, then we need to return $. Now how we can proceed here is, let us consider a frequency array. Here we are going to take a frequency array. We are going to take with 26 elements. All are assigned with zeros. All are assigned with zeros. Here the frequency array we are going to take with 26 elements. All the elements are assigned with zeros. This is the way first we need to take an array. So here first we are taking the frequency array, and with all the values are given as zeros. Now we are going to traverse the string, and we are going to, once that character is encounters, we are going to increase that character index value. Okay, so when the character value, if it is A, we are going to increase this particular value 0 to 1. Like that we are going to do, we are going to increase the frequency values, and that is our first step. First we need to find whatever the characters are there in the string and how many times they have repeated. So after that, our next step is we need to traverse the array. If that frequency array element is equals to 1, we need to return that particular value. We need to return that particular character. Okay, so here now let us take the example ACECA. So here A we are having, so for finding the frequency we are going to take the character minus A. So the position value we are going to take from the character, at which position in the frequency array we need to modify, that we are going to get with the character minus A. So here character minus A is nothing but the A ASCII code is 97. So here the first character is here A. So here the first character is A, 97 minus 97, which is equals to 0. So we are going to increment the whatever the index, at 0th index, whatever the value is there in the frequency counter, that value is going to be incremented. That means here A is appearing once till this particular character, And the next character is C, CH minus A, which is equals to 99 minus 97, which is equals to 2. So here we are going to have at index position 2, this is 0th index, 1 index, and the second index we need to increase the value, and remaining all are zeros. And next E, here character minus A here is equals to 101 minus 97, which is equals to 4. So here at index 4 we need to increase the frequency counter value. 101, here 0, 1, 2, here third position is 0, and again in the fourth position we are going to get 1. And after that C is the character minus A, which is equals to 99 minus 97, which is equals to 2. So here at index 2, here already we are having 1. So we need to increment by 1. 1 will be incremented with 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So here C is up to this character in the string. C is repeating 2 times. 2, 0, 1. And remaining all continuous with zeros. And next one is A, character minus A, which is equals to here 97 minus 97, which is equals to 0. So at 0th position the counter will be incremented. 2, 0 and 1. This will be continued. So this is the way. Here if you traverse this array 2, 0, 2, 0, 1. So the first element which is going to occur only one time is at 4th index, at index 4. Index 4 character we need to return. That is what we need to return as E. Okay. So here this is the procedure I have taken for completing this coding platform. So first thing is we need to take a frequency array with all assigned values as 0 and with the length of that particular array is 26. And I have taken the counter for each and every element in the string by using character minus A. That is going to be taken as the string indexes. So if the character is at 0th index, that index value, that value is going to be incremented by 1. So like this we need to proceed until all the characters are complete. Once all the characters are complete, now again we need to traverse the string, and when we are traversing the string, if we are getting here the frequency counter as 1, we need to return that particular character in the string. If we are not having any ones in this particular array after completing all the elements in the string, then we need to return $. Now let us go with the pseudocode, the step-by-step procedure. First, we need to create an integer array frequency of size 26 with all the values as 0. Now we need to traverse the string. Traverse the string means we need to use the for loop. For I is equals to 0 to and I less than string length and I plus plus. Otherwise we can also go with for each character ch in S. We need to go with for each character ch in the string. Index is equals to character minus A. This is going to find the index of the array. Index of the array. Once if we get the index of the array, we need to increment that particular value in that particular array. So once after getting the index, frequency of index is equals to frequency of index plus 1. We are going to increment that particular value in that array by 1. And the next, this is increment frequency counters we have done by finding the indexes of each and every character. Once after completing the counter values in that particular frequency array, now again we need to traverse the string. So for each character in string, index is equals to ch minus a. If frequency of index is equals to 1, that is whatever the array values are, the first array element which is going to encounter 1. If frequency of index is equals to 1, then we need to return that particular character. We need to return that particular character. So if no non-repeating character exists, we need to return dollar as per the question statement. So here our first step is we are creating an integer array frequency of size 26, and then we are traversing the string and we are increasing the values, that is we are finding the counter values for each and every characters, that is how many times that particular character is repeated. And the next one is traverse the string again. We need to traverse the string again and we are going to check if the frequency of index is equals to 1 or not. If it is equals to 1, then we need to return that particular character. Otherwise, we need to return dollar. Now, first thing is, I'm writing this code in Java. So, int frequency is equals to new int of 26. This is the syntax for creating array. And we are going with for int I is equals to 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus. And character ch is equals to s dot character at I. We are taking at character at I as ch. And now we are incrementing the value in the frequency array. That particular index value we are incrementing. Frequency of character minus a will be incremented. Again we are traversing the string for int I is equals to 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus. And again we are taking the same character ch is equals to s dot char at I. If frequency of character minus a is equals to 1, if the frequency which encounters the first position as 1, first element as having 1 time which we are going to get in the string, then we need to return that particular character. We need to return that particular character. Otherwise, if we don't find any character which is non-repeating, then we need to return dollar. This is the way we need to find the first non-repeating character. In this session, I have discussed a question named non-repeating character from the Geeks for Geeks. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.